It will be a pleasure to get crafty with our Honey Bunny, and we promise you that it cannot get softer than this. Honey Bunny is a super bulky velour yarn made of 100% polyester, and its texture is silky, smooth to the touch, with a light sheen to it. It can be both knitted using 6mm needles, that's a US size 10, or crocheted with a 7mm hook, that's a US size K or 10.5. And it will be ideal for tight and easy types of stitches. The color palette is varied with both subdued and bright colors for you to choose from. This chenille yarn can be turned into a lovely garment, sweaters, cardigans, beanies, and scarves, just to name a few, as well as home decor projects such as cuddly pillow covers, blankets, and comfy poufs. Honey Bunny is OEKO TEX certified, and you can therefore use this yarn for small children with ease of mind. So unleash your creativity by creating clothing, teddies, and other snuggly animals for them. And here's a pro tip. You can tie a knot when starting and finishing your skein, or carefully burn its ending to secure the loose fibers in your project after weaving them. Get cozy with our Honey Bunny.